This is my game, Beat Bopper. This is the home screen where there's the buttons Directions and Play and Quit. Quit quits the game, Directions brings you to directions of the game, and Play brings up the play screen. There's the 1 button and the 2 button. The 1 button plays Hot Cross Buns, while the 2nd button plays Ode to Joy. The volume keys control the volume of the music. So if you click 1, the game will begin. As you can see, the shapes appear and disappear in accordance to the music. And if you click them before the shapes disappear, you will get points. The point of the game is to get the highest number of points before the song ends. As you can see, once the game ends, it gives you a grade, your score, and the high score for game 1. And then you can click back and you can either play 1 again, or you can play the 2nd song, which is Ode to Joy. Once again, the shapes appear and disappear in chorus with the music. As you can see, you can also press the plus sign to increase the sound of the song, or you can press the minus sign to decrease the volume of the sound. And in this game, the circles represent quarter notes, while the triangles represent notes that are shorter than a quarter note, and the squares represent notes that are longer than a quarter note. And once this game ends, the same screen will appear. It will give you your grade, high score, and score. And you can click back and you can play again. That is my game.